Hello, it's Christi. Today is Saturday, a relaxing day, and as I show you, I created this garland, crochet garland. I needed an ornament to use it as a background for my Instagram pictures, and this is the final piece. I will try to show you the process to crochet another one for you. Έλα. Έλα. Roxy. So this is the garland. I used a needle 3.5 and acrylic yarn. And I will show you the steps I followed. I begin with a chain, just a simple chain. A small chain. I count about 15. Well, when I have 15, I don't know how to call them. I make a small loop. I make a small loop right here. I pull the yarn, and that's my loop, my small loop. And now I crochet around that loop. Okay? I make a circle. Just around. That's the first row. I will crochet a second one. By crocheting 2 times on the same spot. Okay. When I reach the middle, I yarn over once, I make 2 chains, I yarn over again, and I crochet at the same spot in order to create this, you see, the shape of a leaf. The shape of a leaf is created by this way. Now I'll continue simple crocheting. Until to go to the spot of our start. And now the leaf is done. Now I can continue by crocheting chains. I count other 15, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's not obligated, you can crochet the leaves more closer. Don't leave so much distance, it's your choice. I choose to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm ready for my second leaf. Okay, I repeat the same. It's very fast, it's very quick one. It won't take long to make a garland, and it's very relaxing. So I make again my loop. I leave 1, 2 chains and I crochet on the third one, and again I crochet around. Again, now to the second, excuse me, row, double crochet on the same spot, loop, I don't know the exact terms. Now I've reached the middle, yarn over, chain 2, yarn over again and again at the same spot, and I continue with double chains each time. And as you see, that's how it goes. Okay, so easy. From me and Roxy, thank you for watching. For the new subscribers, I'm Christi and I'm from Greece. I'm an illustrator and architect, and I love crocheting. So you can find on my description my Etsy shop and my other social media platforms. Please follow, please subscribe, and I hope you liked it. Bye bye.